So here's a graphical representation of exactly what I'm talking about. Again, we're looking at engine speed, present gear, target gear, and throttle position. And in the previous video, I had mentioned that it takes a lot of throttle input to force this thing to downshift. So here is a perfect example of that. We're coming down. This here is the target gear. This is where the command is, right here. It might be easier if I point out it with my pen. This is where the command happens, and then you can actually see it takes all this time between here and here for the transmission to actually downshift. And moving along, again, you keep adding throttle. As you can see right here, throttle is coming up, the command is sent, but then there's a delay between when the command is sent and when the transmission actually downshifts. And that is definitely illustrates the issue. I moved the page here a little bit. Let me go back. Find that instance again. And what's important to notice here is the throttle. That you're getting up to almost 50% throttle before the transmission actually downshifts. And then at the top here is engine speed, so you see the engine speed increase very quickly, and that's what gives you the lurch. So we have a delayed downshift that requires a lot of throttle to actually make it happen, and that translates into that momentary panic, I guess. If you try to accelerate the car, it doesn't accelerate, you add a lot of throttle as is seen right here, and then the transmission finally downshifts after this long delay between the command and when it actually happens.